That detox tea you sip every morning might be quietly damaging your gut from the inside. Every year, billions of dollars go toward products that claim to cleanse your body. But here's the truth. Your body already runs its own detox system. Today, we are zooming in to see what detox teas really do inside your digestive system. Let's zoom in and start by looking at how your body handles toxins all on its own. Your liver works around the clock, filtering your blood and breaking down harmful substances. It does this in 2 steps. First, breaking toxins apart, then packaging them for removal. Meanwhile, your gut lining acts as a gatekeeper, choosing what gets in and what stays out. Trillions of bacteria in your gut also help break down waste and protect your intestinal walls. So when a tea label says detox, it may sound scientific, but biologically it means very little. So what exactly is inside most detox teas? And what do those ingredients do to your gut? The first ingredient to watch for is senna, a powerful herbal laxative found in many blends. Senna forces your colon to contract, pushing everything out before your body can absorb nutrients. Over time, your gut may become dependent on it, losing the ability to move on its own. The second common ingredient is high-dose caffeine, often paired with strong diuretic herbs. These pull water out of your intestines, leaving your gut dehydrated and much slower to digest. That flat belly you notice after drinking the tea is mostly water loss, not actual waste removal. The third concern is unregulated herbal blends, which often contain ingredients with no safety testing. Some of these herbs may disrupt the balance between good and bad bacteria living in your gut. When harmful bacteria outmaneuver the helpful ones, it can trigger bloating, cramps, and inflammation. Research suggests that laxative herbs bypass your gut's natural rhythm and override normal signals. Instead of cleaning your body, these ingredients may actually be weakening your digestive system. And the damage does not stop there. And let's see what happens to your body over time. When your gut stays under this kind of stress for weeks or months, the effects start to spread. Chronic use of laxative herbs has been linked to a condition sometimes called lazy bowel syndrome. This means your colon slowly loses the ability to contract on its own without outside help. At the same time, your gut lining may start to weaken, making it harder to absorb essential nutrients. Poor nutrient absorption has been associated with constant fatigue, brain fog, and mineral deficiencies. But here is where it gets even more serious. Your gut is also your body's largest immune organ. About 70% of your immune cells live inside your digestive tract, protecting you from disease. When the gut lining is damaged, those immune cells may struggle to do their job properly. There is also a direct connection between your gut and your brain, known as the gut-brain axis. Studies indicate that gut inflammation may contribute to increased anxiety, low mood, and poor sleep. Published research has also connected long-term gut damage to a higher risk of chronic health conditions. Chronic gut inflammation has been associated with a 40% increase in autoimmune disorder risk. The good news is, your gut has an amazing ability to recover when given the right support. So what does your gut actually need instead? Let's look at 5 ways to support real gut health. The first is dietary fiber, one of the most powerful tools for restoring a healthy gut. Fiber feeds your good bacteria, giving them the fuel they need to grow and protect your gut lining. Foods like oats, beans, and leafy greens are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber. Research shows that people who eat enough fiber have significantly more diverse gut bacteria. The second method is adding fermented foods to your meals, like yogurt, kimchi, or sauerkraut. These foods contain live bacteria that may help restore the natural balance inside your gut. One major study found that eating fermented foods daily increased gut bacteria diversity within weeks. Think of it as sending reinforcements to help your good bacteria fight back against the bad ones. The third and perhaps simplest step is just drinking enough water throughout the day. Water helps keep the inner lining of your intestines smooth, allowing food to move through easily. Without enough water, digestion slows down, and waste can build up in your colon. Staying hydrated is one of the easiest things you can do to support natural, healthy digestion. Now, this next one might surprise you. It is not a supplement, it is already in your fridge. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and cabbage contain a natural compound called sulforaphane. Research suggests that sulforaphane may support the liver's ability to process and remove toxins. In other words, these vegetables may actually help your body do the real detox work on its own. And the fifth step is reducing ultra-processed foods, which are a major source of gut inflammation. These foods often contain artificial additives and refined sugars that may feed harmful gut bacteria. Studies have shown that reducing processed food intake can lower gut inflammation markers significantly. Even small changes, like cooking more meals at home, may allow your microbiome to start recovering. Each of these 5 steps works with your body's natural system, not against it. That is the real difference. Genuine gut health comes from supporting your body, not forcing it. Now let's put all of this together into a simple plan you can start using right away. Here is a simple 4-week plan to start supporting your gut health with small, easy changes. In week 1, try swapping 1 sugary drink each day for a glass of water with lemon. During week 2, add 1 serving of fiber-rich food to each meal, like oats, beans, or vegetables. By week 3, introduce 1 fermented food every other day, such as yogurt, kimchi, or sauerkraut. And in week 4, start adding cruciferous vegetables like broccoli or kale at least 3 times a week. The key is to go slow. Your gut bacteria need time to adjust to new foods and habits. Start with hydration and fiber first, since these are the simplest changes with the biggest impact. You do not need to change everything at once. Even 1 small swap per day makes a difference. Many people report feeling less bloated and more energized within just a few weeks of these changes. If you have ongoing digestive issues or plan to make major diet changes, consider talking to your doctor. Remember, the goal is not perfection. It is progress toward a healthier, happier gut. So here is the key takeaway. Your body does not need a detox tea to stay healthy. Your liver, your gut, and your microbiome already work together as a powerful natural detox team. A healthier gut starts with understanding how your body works and choosing to support it. If this video helped you, hit like and share it with someone caught in the detox tea trend. Subscribe for more gut health science, and we will see you in the next one.